Ladies and gentlemen, the Fair Use Act of 1976 is enforced throughout this entire video. Ladies and gentlemen, we say what the fuck we want. Shout out to Nasty Marvin and his daughter. I hope you're doing well. Guys, I gotta talk to you. Let me talk to you for a minute. So we got on the screen here, as you can see, Draco. Draco from the RRU, folks. You know him well. Well, not too well. You know him and his girlfriend from a few weeks back. Not even a few weeks. This was 10 days ago. So about a week and a half. And he's in some hot water right now, but old Cherry would have you believe that he's alive and well out on the streets 7 hours ago. You know?
I think so.
Alive and well, looking like this. You know? Doing good. Not hurting anyone. Not stealing, not doing nothing bad. However, I hate to pop the cherry on this one, but common law robbery, common communicating threats, and conspiracy, folks. Let me do something so maybe you guys can see it a little better. There you go. So guys, we got a few. We got a little something to worry about. You know, not. Well, let's check it out, shall we? Do you guys want to check it out in the portal? I don't see why not. Oh, whoops. Portal NC. Okay, guys. So now, we're going to take you down to the portal of North Carolina. Right here. I already had it fixed in from earlier because I did check it out. Now, you put in Andre Corbet Hughes. Let's check it out, guys. Now, he's got he's got some stuff going on, guys. But the most recent right here is what he got arrested for yesterday. Now, follow me as I take you there, guys. Attempted common law robbery, felony conspiracy, and communicating threats. Now, let's see what's up with that. So, you go down here to his charges. On or about the date of the offense shown in the county named above, the defendant unlawfully, willfully, feloniously did attempt to steal, take, and carry away another person's property, frozen foods. Excuse me, guys. Frozen foods of the value $25 from the person and presence of Dollar Tree and Crystal Latrell by means of an assault upon him consisting of the forcible and violent taking of the property. I like how they worded that at the end. Consisting of the forcible and violent taking of the property. Now, count 2, felony conspiracy. The defendant unlawfully, willfully, and feloniously did conspire with Christina Glenn. Right here, guys. Christina Glenn. You feel me? You follow me? Okay, now follow me as I take you there. They were caught concealing merchandise when confronted by Crystal Latrell, the store manager. Christina Glenn, began removing the item and then told the manager she was going to steal everything. How does that make sense? Make that make sense. She removed the items and then told the manager she was going to steal everything. Then struck her with a closed fist to the face and grabbed her hair and pulled her hair to the ground. Another employee went to intervene, and Andre Hughes Andre Hughes began, where is it? Andre Hughes began to threaten the employee before both subjects left the store. Okay? Count 3. The defendant unlawfully and willfully did threaten to physically injure the person, Justin Weeks. The threat was communicated to Justin by verbally stating he was going to knock out the employee if he touched his girlfriend, and the threat was made in a manner and under circumstances which would cause a reasonable person to believe that the threat was likely to be carried out, and the person threatened believed that threat would be carried out. That's worded kind of funny. I don't like how that one was worded. Not at all. Not at all. I don't like that one worded. However, the facts remain the same, guys. These two people went inside Dollar General, decided to approach and steal and try to, you know what? Let's go to Christina Glenn. Let's see if hers is any different. What's going on here? What's happening? Alright, guys, let's check it out. Follow me as I take you there, guys. Let's do it. Oh, I put Vristrina. Typo, guys. My bad. It could happen to anyone. It could. Oh, with these bicycles and these verifications, man. Still nothing. Well, you know what? Oh, 2 N's. Christina Glenn. Well, why should that matter? Okay, what's her middle name? Let's get this show on the road. Wow. Okay, we'll go with that then. Kelia Nicole. Interesting. Interesting middle name. Let's do it to it, guys. Let's do it. Let's see what she's got. Wow, she's got a lot of wow. She's got 3 pages of charges, and that's just in 2 months. Well, no, I did go back to a year. But we just need the most recent. Okay, so she's going to court the same time that attempted common law robbery, felony conspiracy. Oh, release order issued. Oh, that's on the... Did she get out? The defendant was charged with a violent offense undersigned was able to determine the defendant is a citizen. Okay. The undersigned judicial definitely has no prior record. Huh? Yeah, she does. I don't know, man. Your release is not authorized. Oh, so she got denied. Is that right when it says not authorized? Your defendant is required to provide fingerprints prior to release. The defendant shall provide his or her FA 31626. Failure to appear 316. Well, that's how's it failure to appear if that hasn't happened yet? Well, it's not failure to appear, it's FA. Okay. So what do we have here? The conditions of release on page 1, side 2 are modified as follows. Note to custodian from forum shall accompany the defendant to court for all appearances. I don't know, guys, but what I know for sure in this and this whole thing that's happening right here, what else did she have to go to court for? Trespassing, resisting public officer. This is just wow. Resisting breaking and entering, trespassing. What is up with this? I'm just jumping around. Assault on government official. Guys, she's violent too. She's just as violent as Draco is. This is some crazy shit right here, man. Oh my god. Alright, guys. That's a long list, guys. And that's not even all of it. Oh, wait, yeah, it is. That we know of. Shit. Anyways, this has been another episode of the Pro V Show, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And I guess I'll see you on the next one, on the next review. Have a good day, guys. Have a good week. Bye.